क्या खाऊं? What to eat? What to eat? पेट में कुछ अजीब सा लग रहा है। I have got a strange feeling in my stomach. I have got a strange feeling in my stomach. इस तरह की बातें तो इस जगह शुरू से ही होती हैं। This type of conversation has been going on here since the beginning. This type of conversation has been going on here since the beginning. क्या ये मुझ पर अच्छा लग रहा है? Does this look good on me? Does this look good on me? चाचा जी को मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते कहना। Say hi to uncle for me. Say hi to uncle for me. अपनी शक्ति को पहचानो। Realize your potential. Realize your potential. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? अपनी पेंसिल छीलो। Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. और मैं क्या कर सकता था? What else could I have done? What else could I have done? आप मेरे लिए तकल्लुफ़ क्यों उठा रहे हैं? Why are you taking trouble for me? Why are you taking trouble for me? मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खांसी हो रही है। I have got a bad cough. I have got a bad cough. मैंने पहले ही कह दिया वो नहीं चलेगी। I have told you already, she won't do. I have told you already, she won't do. माफ कर दो और भूल जाओ जो भी हुआ। Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. मेरा फ़ोन खो गया है, मुझे कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है। I have lost my phone, I can't find it anywhere. I've lost my phone, I can't find it anywhere. मेज पर, on the table, on the table. मैं ये खिड़की बंद नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। I can't get this window shut. I can't get this window shut. बिल ले आना। Bring the bill. Bring the bill. इसकी लिखावट बहुत अच्छी है। His handwriting is very neat and clean. His handwriting is very neat and clean. तुम सो रहे थे। You were asleep. You were asleep. घंटों हो गए। It's been hours. It's been hours. क्या कुछ छूट मिलेगी? Could you give me a discount? Could you give me a discount? हाँ, जानता हूँ। Yes, I know. Yes, I know. तू ज़रा घर आ, मैं तुझे ठीक करूँगा। You just come home, I will fix you. You just come home, I will fix you. क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं? Are you married? Are you married? जब वो आएगा तो मुझे फ़ोन करेगा। When he comes, he will give me a call. When he comes, he will give me a call. कपड़े धो चुकी क्या? Are you done with the laundry? Are you done with the laundry? मुझे तुम्हारी ड्रेस अच्छी लगी। कहाँ से ली? I like your dress. Where did you get it? I like your dress. Where did you get it? माफ कर दीजिए, ऐसा फिर नहीं होगा। I am sorry, it won't happen again. I am sorry, it won't happen again. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए लेटने जा रही हूँ। I am going to lie down for a while. I am going to lie down for a while. मेरा मूड खराब है। I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood. मैं तुझे सबक सिखाऊंगा। I will teach you a lesson. I will teach you a lesson. तुम जाकर कपड़े धो लो। You go and do the laundry. You go and do the laundry. अपनी उंगलियां हिलाओ। Wriggle your fingers. Wriggle your fingers. मुझे कब्ज हो रही है। I am constipated. I am constipated or else I feel constipated. I feel constipated. उसे अंदर बुलाओ। Ask him in. Ask him in. ताने मत मारो। Do not taunt. Do not taunt. तुम उसे ऐसे क्यों देख रही हो? Why are you looking at her like this? Why are you looking at her like this? क्या तुम देर से सोई थी? Did you go to bed late? Did you go to bed late?
सेंटेंसेस। चलिए अंग्रेजी का अभ्यास करते हैं। लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश। लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश।
गांठ खोल दो। Untie the knot. Untie the knot. क्या ये टिकाऊ है? Is it durable? Is it durable? आप बोल शब्द का उच्चारण कैसे करते हैं? How do you pronounce the word bowl? How do you pronounce the word bowl? It's not bowl, it's bowl. Bowl. How do you pronounce the word bowl? गुमनाम ना हो। Don't be anonymous. Don't be anonymous. वो तुम्हारे खिलाफ जाल बिछा रहे हैं। They are setting a trap for you. They are setting a trap for you. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे आज मेरी जिंदगी खत्म हो गई है। I feel like my life has ended today. I feel like my life has ended today. लगता है ये वह चाय पी गया जो कमल के लिए थी। Seem like he drank the tea that was meant for Kamal. Seem like he drank the tea that was meant for Kamal. काश मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता। I wish I were prime minister. I wish I were prime minister.
अगली क्लास कौन सी है? What class is next? What class is next?
मेरा जन्मदिन 3 फरवरी को था। My birthday was on February 3rd. My birthday was on February 3rd. पागल मत बनो। Don't be mad. Don't be mad. उसने ये सब अपने आप किया। She did it all by herself. She did it all by herself. कल मैंने बहुत काम किया था रात को। I did a lot of work last night. I did a lot of work last night. कुछ नहीं बचा है। Nothing is left. Nothing is left. दूसरों को मत बताना। Don't tell others. Don't tell others. कौन कौन से पार्ट से टेस्ट लेंगी आप? Which chapters are you going to test us on? Which chapters are you going to test us on? आना है आपको मेरी पार्टी में। You must come to my party. You must come to my party. अगर तुम वहाँ हो तो बोल दो ना। If you are there, just say so. If you are there, just say so. वह एक नंबर का बेवकूफ है। He is stupid of first order. He is stupid of first order. क्या तुम भी आना चाहते हो? Do you also want to come? Do you also want to come? समय खत्म। Time's up. Time's up. उसके पास मोबाइल है, मेरे पास मोबाइल नहीं है। She has got a mobile, I haven't got. She has got a mobile, I haven't got. अच्छा होगा आप इसी समय टीवी बंद कर दें। You would better switch off the TV right away. You would better switch off the TV right away. तुम कभी उससे नजरें नहीं मिला पाओगे। You will never be able to look her in the eyes. You will never be able to look her in the eyes. और किसने पूछा तुमसे? Who else has asked you? Who else has asked you?
लाइन में प्रतीक्षा करो। Wait in line. Wait in line.
मेरे हिसाब से मैम आज टेस्ट लेंगी बच्चों का। I think ma'am would give student a test today. I think ma'am would give students a test today. उसने थैले को जोर से टेबल पर पटक दिया। She dumped the bags on the table. She dumped the bags on the table. वह काफी दूर है। That's too far. That's too far. तुरंत शुरू करो। Start right away. Start right away. आंखें कभी झूठ नहीं बोलती। Eyes never lie. Eyes never lie. मैंने सही से कपड़े नहीं पहने हैं। I am not dressed properly. I am not dressed properly. बिल्ली को खाना खिलाओ। Feed the cat. फीड द कैट। जो चीज असंभव है उसे भी कर दिखाओ। डू द इम्पॉसिबल। डू द इम्पॉसिबल। पापा कुछ मिनटों पहले ही गए हैं। डैड वेंट अ फ्यू मिनट्स अगो। डैड वेंट अ फ्यू मिनट्स अगो। तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? वट आर यू थिंकिंग ऑफ? वट आर यू थिंकिंग ऑफ? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? आज हम कुछ जगहों पर जाएंगे। We will visit a few places today. We will visit a few places today. उसकी हथेली की चमड़ी मोटी हो गई है। His palm is covered with calluses. His palm is covered with calluses. मुझे अभी भी बहुत कुछ करना है। I still have a lot to do. I still have a lot to do. अपनी आंखें ढको। Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. नहीं, तुम जल्दी आए हो। No, you are early. No, you are early. तुम्हें दवाइयाँ समय पर ले लेनी चाहिए। You should take medicines on time. You should take medicines on time. और जोर से बोलो। Speak more loudly. Speak more loudly. थोड़ा खिसको। Move a bit. Move a bit. तुम आग में घी क्यों डाल रहे हो? Why are you adding fuel to the fire? Why are you adding fuel to the fire? अब से मैं टीवी पर कार्टून चैनल नहीं लगाऊंगी। From now onwards, I will not switch to cartoon channel on TV. From now onwards, I will not switch to cartoon channel on TV. खुद ही कर लो। Do it yourself. Do it yourself. मुझे लगता है कि आपके पास कुछ ज़्यादा ही चीज़ें हैं। I think you have too many things. I think you have too many things. आपका नाम? Your name please. Your name please. अपने जैकेट की चैन खोलो। Undo the zip of your jacket. Undo the zip of your jacket. घर पहुंचकर मुझे एक बार फोन कर देना। Give me a call when you get home. Give me a call when you get home. आसान कर दो। Make it easy. Make it easy. क्या आप देख नहीं रहे हैं मैं फोन पर बात कर रही हूँ? Can't you see I'm on the phone? Can't you see I'm on the phone? तुमने सोचा नहीं मैं तेरे बिना क्या करूँगा? You didn't think that what will I do without you? You didn't think that what will I do without you? इसे बुझाओ। Put it out. Put it out. किसी का दिल मत दुखाओ। Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. इसे खुला ही रखो। Keep it open. Keep it open. तुम बड़ों जैसा बर्ताव करने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you try to behaving like a grown up? Why don't you try behaving like a grown up? मेरी आंखों की रोशनी वापस आ गई। I have got my eyesight back. I have got my eyesight back. मैंने इंटरनेट पर टिकट खरीदे। I bought the tickets over the internet. I bought the tickets over the internet. मीरा हमेशा फोन पर फालतू कामों में लगी रहती है। मीरा इज ऑलवेज मेसिंग अराउंड विद द फोन। मीरा इज ऑलवेज मेसिंग अराउंड विद द फोन। मैं नहीं जानता। आई डोंट नो। आई डोंट नो। वे किसके हैं? हुज आर दे? हुज आर दे? मुझे अपच है। आई हैव इंडाइजेशन। आई हैव इंडाइजेशन। बिना आग के धुआं नहीं निकलता। देयर इज नो स्मोक विदाउट फायर। देयर इज नो स्मोक विदाउट फायर। पूरे फर्श पर कागज बिखरे हुए हैं। पेपर्स आर स्कैटर्ड ऑल ओवर द फ्लोर। पेपर्स आर स्कैटर्ड ऑल ओवर द फ्लोर। जाकर मिलो। गो एंड मीट। गो एंड मीट। समय पर पहुंच जाना। रीच ऑन टाइम। रीच ऑन टाइम। देखो ये सीधा लगा है कि नहीं। Check whether it is inserted the right way up. Check whether it's inserted the right way up. मैंने आंखों पर जोर डाला तब मुझे दिखा. I strained my eyes, then I could see. I strained my eyes, then I could see. इतनी देर क्यों लग रही है? Why is it taking so long? Why is it taking so long? उस दिन के बाद से उन्होंने एक दूसरे से कभी बात नहीं की. From that day forth, they never spoke to each other. From that day forth, they never spoke to each other. क्या तुम चलोगे मेरे साथ? Will you come along with me? Will you come along with me? ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैंने कोई पाप किया हो. It seems as if I have committed a sin. It seems as if I have committed a sin. पंखा चला लो और आराम कर लो. Switch on the fan and take rest. Switch on the fan and take rest. 1 minute please. 1 minute please. 1 minute please. ये रोहित क्यों नहीं आया अभी तक? Why this Rohit hasn't arrived yet? Why this Rohit hasn't arrived yet? उसने मुझे इशारे से बैठने के लिए कहा. He motioned me to sit down. He motioned me to sit down. मुझे पता था. I knew it. I knew it. उसकी हालत देखकर रोना आ रहा है. I feel like crying on seeing his condition. I feel like crying on seeing his condition.
3 महीने से. For 3 months. For 3 months.
कमीज पहले से ही सीधी है, उसे सीधा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The shirt is already right side out. There is no need to turn it right side out. The shirt is already right side out. There is no need to turn it right side out. भाड़ में गई तेरी दोस्ती. To hell with your friendship. To hell with your friendship.
तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go?
क्या आपको यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? मेरा भी मन करता था. Even I felt like doing it. Even I felt like doing it. क्या तुम व्यस्त हो? Are you busy? Are you busy? तुम्हें क्या लगता है कमल और मेरे बीच कुछ चल रहा है? You think there's something going on between Kamal and me? You think there is something going on between Kamal and me? कल मेरी एक पुराने दोस्त से मुलाकात हो गई. I ran into an old friend of mine. I ran into an old friend of mine. क्या आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं? Can you guess? Can you guess?
तुम्हारे दाईं तरफ. To your right. To your right. पंखा लगा दो. Install the fan. Install the fan. चेन खोलो. Undo the zip. Undo the zip.
चिंता मत करो, उसे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Don't worry, nothing has happened to her. Don't worry, nothing has happened to her.
10 मिनट पहले. 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago.
घर पे कोई नहीं है. Nobody is home. Nobody is home. तुम रीना को छोड़ने का क्या लोगे? What will it take for you to leave Reena? What will it take for you to leave Reena? कुछ जरूरी काम आ गया था, इसीलिए जाना पड़ा. Something urgent had come up, so I had to leave. Something urgent had come up, so I had to leave. मुझे शॉपिंग कराने ले चलो. Take me shopping. Take me shopping. जागे हुए मुझे 1 घंटा हो गया. It's been an hour since I woke up. It's been an hour since I woke up. कपड़ा लेकर इसे झाड़ दो. Get a cloth and dust this. Get a cloth and dust this.
मेरा जन्मदिन बीत गया. My birthday passed. My birthday passed. क्या पीऊं?
what to drink, what to drink. सब तैयार है, everything is ready, everything is ready. मैंने कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं कहा था. I had said no such thing. I had said no such thing. किसी को नहीं पता था. No one knew. No one knew. मेरे ऑफिस में कुछ लोग बहुत ही कम मतलब ना के बराबर काम करते हैं. At my office, some people do very little work. At my office, some people do very little work. कितनी गंदगी है. What a mess. What a mess. इतना नहीं. Not this much. Not this much. ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है. All this has happened because of you. All this has happened because of you.
आकर बैठो. Come and sit. Come and sit.
मेरे लिए थोड़ा पानी गर्म कर दो. Heat up some water for me. Heat up some water for me. क्या कोई है? Is there anyone? Is there anyone?
जहन्नुम में जा. Go to hell. Go to hell.
तुमने अपने बाल कटवाए हैं? बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. You have had your hair cut? It looks great. You have had your hair cut? It looks great.
यह मेरे गले में था. It was around my neck. It was around my neck.
मैंने नहीं किया, इसने किया. I didn't, he did. I didn't, he did. पता नहीं इतना क्यों डरता है वो. I don't know why he is so afraid. I don't know why he is so afraid.
मेरे साथ खड़े रहो. Stand by me. Stand by me. पंखा उतार दो. Remove the fan. Remove the fan. किसी भी तरह से करो इसे. Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow.
मेरे बजाय पापा वहां गए. Dad went there instead of me. Dad went there instead of me.
जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ. Get well soon. Get well soon. थोड़ी देर के लिए रोक दो. Take a break. Take a break.
मेरा जन्मदिन 15 मार्च को है. My birthday is on 15th of March. My birthday is on 15th of March. कभी कभी बहुत समस्याएं होती हैं पर मैं संभाल लेती हूँ. Sometimes many problems arise but I tackle them. Sometimes many problems arise but I tackle them. क्या तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर चलता है? Is your computer in working condition? Is your computer in working condition? जब तक दिल करे तब तक रहो. Stay as long as you wish. Stay as long as you wish. निकाल कर निथार लो. Remove and drain. Remove and drain. क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में? What's your game? What's your game? जो तुमने कहा क्या साबित कर सकते हो? Can you prove what you said? Can you prove what you said?
वो मेरी दुनिया है, मेरा सब कुछ. She means the world to me. She means the world to me.
तुमने जरूर घर पर ही छोड़ दिया होगा. You must have left it at home. You must have left it at home. तुम झगड़ालू हो. You are quarrelsome. You are quarrelsome. हम 15 मिनट में निकल रहे हैं. We are leaving in 15 minutes. We are leaving in 15 minutes. मुझे इस बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता. I don't know about this at all. I don't know about this at all.
इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now.
मुझे लैपटॉप चार्ज करना है. I need to charge my laptop. I need to charge my laptop. देख कमरा गर्म हो गया है, खिड़की खोलनी पड़ेगी. Look, the room's got hot, need to open the window. Look, the room's got hot, need to open the window. मुझे यकीन है. Yes, I am sure. Yes, I am sure. कहीं इधर उधर मत जाना. Don't wander off. Don't wander off.
तुम जा सकते हो, यह यहीं रहेगा. You can leave, he remains here. You can leave, he remains here. गलती ढूंढो. Spot the mistake. Spot the mistake. अपना मन बदल लो. Change your mind. Change your mind. वह दिल्ली में एक कंपनी में काम करता है. He works at a company in Delhi. He works at a company in Delhi.
क्या तुम मुझ पर उंगली उठा रहे हो? Are you pointing the finger at me? Are you pointing the finger at me? वो फिर से बोलो. Say that again. Say that again.
मैं आमतौर पर इस समय टहलने जाता हूँ. I usually go for a walk at this time. I usually go for a walk at this time.
किस समय? At what time? At what time? मैं पूरी रात जाग कर पढ़ाई करती हूँ. I stay up all night studying. I stay up all night studying. आपका चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है. Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. ये कॉपी समय से चेक करवाता है. He gets his notebook checked on time. He gets his notebook checked on time.
जिस वक्त से मैंने उसे देखा है, मुझे और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. Since the time I have seen her, I can't see anything else. Since the time I have seen her, I can't see anything else. वो ठीक हो रही है. She is recovering. She is recovering. तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
क्या तुम मेरी पीठ में खुजली कर सकते हो? Could you scratch my back for me? Could you scratch my back for me? इस साल मेरा जन्मदिन शनिवार को पड़ेगा. My birthday falls on a Saturday this year. My birthday falls on a Saturday this year.
मैं यहाँ उन लोगों की दोस्ती के लिए आया था. I came here for the sake of their friendship. I came here for the sake of their friendship.
तुम्हें लगता है ये इस बारे में है? That's what you think this is about. That's what you think this is about. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you crazy? Are you crazy?